Hi, Stephen. How you doing? I'm good as well. I'm glad to hear that. Well, before starting with the information that I have for you today, I want to go through all the concerns that you mentioned on your email one by one. And if you have any question at the end or any comment, just let me know so I can go through it, okay? So let's start. So the first concern that you mentioned is that you don't want to commit to the annual plan yet. And that's good because we actually have a free plan. In this plan, we have a lot of features that I know match the need of your company. We have unlimited cards on this free plan. We have up to 10 boards per workspace. We have unlimited power apps per board. We also have unlimited storage. We have 10 megabytes per file. We also have 250 workspace command running per month. We have something fun. We have custom backgrounds and stickers that we have it on the free plan as well, to keep it fun. Unlimited activity log, of course. We also have, the due dates and the assignations included. And you don't have to worry if your employees have either Android or iOS systems because we work on both of them on our free plan. And we also have the two-factor authentication, which I know is really important because you want to have your information secure. And well, you can have this plan as long as you want because it's the free one. And then if you want more features, we have more plans. The following one is it's just a small amount that you would have to pay. It's only $5 for those features. It's $5 per user. And this is just something small that you will have to pay, because we gotta cover all the back office behind our platform. Well, I hope that's handled. Going to the next one, you also mentioned about the bad reviews in Glassdoor. And I totally get where you're coming from. I would be concerned too if I'm gonna get a new platform for my company and they have bad reviews. So about it, I just want to tell you if those reviews are old, they have already been handled. We already handled them. We already addressed them. It's already fixed because we are always looking in our reviews in Glassdoor, Apple Store, Play Store, any other platform of reviews, and we are always addressing them because we want to keep our customers happy. We want to keep our customers, and that's the only way to do it. If they are recent, they will be addressed. For now, I just want to say that regarding everything you need for your company, we have all the features that you need to achieve all those goals that you have. So if no more questions about that, let's go with the last one. Last but not least, you also mentioned that you had Asana that it worked for your company and why to go with us. Well, let me tell you, is a phrase that I love. Time means money. The reason why you should go with Trello is because time means money. Our platform is versatile, it's easy to learn, it's intuitive. You just go through it, you go through it, you use it, and you learn by the time. You don't have to like get any training, you don't have to go through any tutorial, it's intuitive. And with Asana is a hardest platform. I'm sure you know because you had it at your company. You gotta go through training, tutorials. If you go through new features, it's more time that you lose. And I know that you mentioned here on your email that you are interested into moving the information through departments in all levels, from senior executive to developers. So imagine having to do a training to each one of your employees that is going to take from 1 till 3 months, and if you add new features it's more training. That's time that you lose on it. And as well, you're planning to grow from 50 employees to 120. So each time that you get a new employee, that's training that you have to do to them. That's a salary that you have to pay them while they are learning how to use a platform. And as well, that's time and that you lose. That's time that you lose with other employees that are gonna be training them, where you can have them working in other stuff to grow your company. So that's why you should go with Trello because time means money. I hope all your concerns were handled. And do you have any other question or any other comment about it? Okay, so in that case, let's just move forward with the information that I have for you today.